Hello there, how you all doing? My name is Griffin and today I'm going to explain to you how to install snap packages on any Linux-based system that doesn't have them pre-installed. For example, Ubuntu. So for the first thing that we're going to do is go to the snapcraft.io website, go to docs and click on installing snap. There you will see that it says that the latest Ubuntu distros already contain snapd, and underneath it there's a full list of Linux distros that support snap packages. So go follow the instructions based on your Linux distribution, but as I am using Linux Mint, I'm going to click on that. It says you can use the software manager, but I prefer to use the terminal just to be safe. So we're just going to do that. I'm gonna copy the two commands shown on the site and paste them into the terminal. Once the installation is done, log out and log back in or reboot your PC. To check whether we have properly installed Snap, we're gonna type in snap list in the terminal, and if it shows there are no packages available, it means that we have properly installed it. We can also do snap help, which will show us any additional commands like remove or info to show or to remove certain packages. All right, now that we have successfully installed Snap, we can go ahead and install the Discord using Snap. So in the terminal, type in snap install Discord and it will ask for your password. Just type it in and hit authenticate. It should install the program that we have requested, i.e. Discord. Once it says, for example, Discord and version number from Snapcrafters installed, we should be good to go. So the shortcut for the app that we just installed should be in your applications menu, depending on your distro. So I'll just run Discord and it should install all of its updates. And as you can see, it's if it starts downloading the updates, that should be an indication that everything works perfectly. So yeah, now that it's done, it's asking me for my login, but this was just for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to log into Discord. I shall, for demonstration purposes, I will also show you how to install a program online if it has an unusual package name or something of any other nature that Snap can't find the package that you're looking for. So to do that, we have to go to the Snapcraft website, click on the store button at the top, and you will find a search field at the top of the page, so you can type in whatever program you would like to install using Snaps. But as for demonstration purposes, I will be installing VLC, for example, but you can also look up OBS and some other applications that are very common on Linux and Windows. But as I said, I will go to VLC, so I will go back, select VLC, and it should open up the details page with all the screenshots and additional info about the program. In the top right, you can see a green install button, and once you press it, there will be a message that shows up that says you can download it in the Ubuntu software store, or if you don't have it, as I don't have it either, as I'm using Linux Mint, I will use the terminal command instead. So just copy the command that is shown on the screen right now into the terminal. So I will go ahead and do that. And press enter. It should ask for your password, so just enter it and click enter. And it should install VLC if nothing goes wrong in the process. Okay, so now that it's done, we can go ahead and run the app that we just installed, and it should be in on the start menu again. So as you can see, VLC is working just fine. Well, that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Goodbye.